Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an XM trading account. Creating an account on XM is your first step into online trading. The process is designed to be beginner friendly, but since it involves financial verification and personal details, it's important to do it carefully and correctly. And once the account is set up, you'll be able to trade forex. First, you need to open to your XM app on a device. Over here, you can simply select to this get started on the bottom. Here what you can do is you can select the country of your residence and type down email address and your password and register it here. And also you need to click onto this small square icon to consent of this saving marketing if you want to. And after you're done with it, you can simply tap on the register at the bottom. So you need to check your mail. What you can do is you can go to your mail app and simply open to the XM mail and select to this verify email here, and that is it. This is how you can create an account in your XM app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.